Ever found yourself short on cash just before payday? You're not alone. We've all been there. Maybe you needed to grab groceries, pay a bill, or cover an unexpected expense. And let's face it, overdraft fees can be a real killer. That's where Chime Spot Me comes in. But how do you actually qualify for it? That's what we're diving into today. Let's talk about Spot Me. It's essentially a fee-free overdraft protection. Chime covers your back when you overdraw your account by a certain amount. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But to get it, you need to meet a few criteria. Let's break it down. First and foremost, you need an active Chime checking account. This is the foundation of everything. You'll need to have your direct deposits set up to come into this account. Speaking of direct deposits, that's the next big thing. To qualify for Spot Me, you need to receive at least $200 in qualifying direct deposits to your Chime checking account each month. Now, what qualifies as a direct deposit? We're talking about money coming in from your employer, payroll service, gig work, or benefits provider. It's got to be an ACH deposit or an original credit transaction, OCT. So, those quick transfers from other accounts or using services like PayPal or Cash App won't cut it. Once you've got that $200 direct deposit rolling in consistently, you're halfway there. The final piece of the puzzle is activating your Chime debit card. It's like giving Chime the green light to start looking out for you. So, to recap, you need an active Chime checking account, a consistent $200+ qualifying direct deposit, and an activated debit card. That's the golden ticket to unlocking Spot Me. Now, let's talk about how much Spot Me can actually cover you for. It starts small, usually around $20. But the more you use Chime and build a good account history, that limit can increase. It's like earning trust points. The more reliable you are with your deposits and spending, the more Chime is willing to have your back. Remember, Spot Me is a privilege, not a right. If you start bouncing checks or consistently overdrawing, Chime might put a pause on your Spot Me benefits. So, use it wisely. One last thing to note, Spot Me isn't a magic money machine. It's there to help you out in a pinch, not to fund your entire lifestyle. Build good spending habits, budget effectively, and Spot Me will be there as a safety net when you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.